welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the new Lisa Eldridge lipstick shades, and they are Velvet Blush, Velvet Dragon, Velvet Affair and Velvet Carnival. They are the true velvet lip color collection, and I bought also a new product that is Gloss Embrace. I've chosen the shade Muse, and I've chosen this beautiful emerald green bag. Very happy with my purchase because for me delivery was so fast. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to discover all the videos I have about Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. So I own almost all the shades, and you can find an individual video for these lipsticks. So in this video I'm gonna show you how these beautiful lipsticks look on me. So if you have fair skin, blonde, blonde hair, you can see how they match. Let's start from Velvet Affair. This is the shade. So having also Velvet Fawn and Velvet Muse, I think that the next question would be how it could look different from the shades. So I take also them to see a comparison, and I put Velvet Fawn and Velvet Muse. I want to let you see the shades that I think it could be in between, because I think it's darker than Velvet Fawn, but it could be with the same undertone. And this is the swatch. This is Velvet Fawn, this is Velvet Affair, and this is Velvet Muse. They are a beautiful trio for nude shades. And now let's try on my lips. The formula is always great and the color is beautiful. So this is the color on me. So if you love Velvet Fawn, I think that Velvet Affair is a beautiful shade, because it's a little bit darker than Velvet Fawn, but it has these beautiful brown undertones, and I see also a kind of beige rose color. So if you like Velvet Fawn but you want something a little bit deeper, or if you like Velvet Muse but you like to have something a little bit warmer, this is perfect. I had a lipstick when I was young, very young, I think 13, something like this, in a beautiful kit, and I had this small lipstick from Pupa, and it has this shade that was so beautiful with every kind of looks, because I remember that in this kit there were 12 eyeshadows and I used all the eyeshadows with this lipstick that was a lipstick and also a powder lipstick, so from the same shade. So it's a quite 90s shade, but I really love it. So now let's move to Velvet Blush. Velvet Blush is supposed to be a great shade. This is the color. So Lisa described this shade as a shade that she saw in paintings, and so she wanted to reproduce this beautiful tint. I think it's a great, cool and muted shade. So this is the shade. I let you see Velvet Blush near Velvet Myth, and you see there is a huge difference. This is Velvet Myth and this is Velvet Blush. So near Velvet Muse, you see Velvet Muse that has dusty rose color with beige, is warmer than Velvet Blush and also lighter. So it's a really unique shade. And let's try it. When I talk about these lipsticks while I'm applying them, I always say they are so precise, but they really are. And this is the result. So this shade is very beautiful. It reminds me of La Sensuelle by Chanel number 40, if I don't get wrong, but it was more violet. In this case, I don't see a real violet undertones, even if it's muted. It's a deep rose muted shade. Really, really beautiful. And I think this shade is also beautiful to blur, because it really emphasizes your lips. So this is the color, and this is Velvet Blush. I think it works with every undertones. It's quite a universal shade in my opinion. So now let's move to Velvet Dragon. So Velvet Dragon is supposed to be a very different red from the red that Lisa Eldridge released previously, and it is inspired to Chinese decorations, so it really takes inspiration from China red. This is the swatch. It has a little more of yellow in this lipstick, and unfortunately I don't have Velvet Morning that I think it would be its comparison. The reason why I don't have a Velvet Morning is because I always skip red with orangey undertones, but in this case this lipstick seems to be more muted than Velvet Morning, and so I think I could wear it. So let's try it. So this is how Velvet Dragon looks on me. And you see it's a more muted red, and I think it's a very wearable shade. So if you love warm tones of red but you don't like to wear a bright red, this is a very good shade. So Velvet Carnival. So you know that I'm always quite scared about brightest lipstick, because I don't think I have the features to wear bright lips, but I wanna give them a chance because the color is so beautiful, so cool, so intense. Let's compare it to Skyscraper Rose. So Velvet Carnival and Skyscraper Rose, you see how much Velvet Carnival is cooler than Skyscraper Rose. So this is Velvet Carnival and this is Skyscraper Rose. So let's try it. I'm so impressed. It's beautiful shades. I think I could wear it. So I'm impressed for this reason, not for the shade. I think it's a beautiful shade, obviously, but I never thought I could wear it. This is how Velvet Carnival looks on me. I think that if you have cool eyes like green or light blue, this looks amazing. But also on darker skin tones, this kind of shades really pop and they are so beautiful and elegant. So now that I've removed my lipsticks, I'm gonna try the new product that is Gloss Embrace, and I've chosen the shade Muse. Oh, it's very nourishing, something between a oil and a gloss, but it doesn't really move like an oil. So the sponge, it's very soft and very comfortable to apply on the lips. Yes, it plump your lips and so the color is very nice because it's natural, but it emphasizes your lips. This is the shade and it doesn't move when you apply, so some glosses go everywhere when you apply them, and yes, it's also precise. Also this gloss is precise like the lipsticks, I have to say. So you really don't feel to wear a gloss. So it's something very nice to have on your lips. I'm very happy with my purchase, and for a final touch I want to try Velvet Carnival, taking it from the back as a blush, because I think that these lipsticks are also beautiful blushes because they are so pigmented, and I take from the back to apply on my cheeks. And in particular this shade is so beautiful in my opinion to use as a blush. I love cool tones for blushes when they are like Ultra Rose from Chanel, for example. It was a beautiful shade. It's like a fuchsia neon shade. See, it's just a little touch and it's beautiful. Gives you life. So very happy with everything. I hope there will be also new products next to come in the future. I really like to see a blush, a pot maybe for lips and cheeks. And I'm waiting that lip liner will be sold separately because I will purchase immediately. So I hope this video could be helpful for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. Take a moment to subscribe and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!